Today's topic, whole house dehumidification. I'm Randall with EnviroClean, and here in South Louisiana, we live in one of the most humid parts of this country. This makes our hot weather feel hotter and our cold weather feel even colder. And you can trust that the humidity levels outside affect the humidity levels in your home. If you ever feel like the moisture levels in your home make you feel uncomfortable, or make you feel clammy when your AC system isn't running, or you just feel like your AC system doesn't really cool like it should, the Ultra Air Whole House Dehumidifier might be the product for you. This dehumidifier is ducted into your existing HVAC duct system. It pulls the humid air out of your home and into the dehumidifier, removing all the excess moisture, and then is sent back into your supply air plenum to be distributed. This allows all the air that passes through your home to be dehumidified. This unit even has its own built-in fan and drain, so it can operate independently from your AC system. This process will dramatically increase the comfort levels inside of your home. To learn more, call me today to set up a free consultation.